Hello everyone and welcome to Growing with the Gold. We're here today to give you a quick update on some of the projects we've shown you on previous videos. This is the raspberry bed. We've given a couple updates. One when we were trimming out the dead canes at the very beginning of the year, so we made sure to get our good spring berries and prepare for our summer berries. Great year this year for raspberries. We've got berries just all over the place. We've been harvesting for a good couple weeks. The kids have been in here stuffing their faces. We're off to a great start. And you can see all these new canes that popped up that you saw just the beginning growth of in our previous video. These are going to be our fall berries. All these older canes, they're going to get rid of these berries. We'll trim those down at the end of the year, and next year these will be our spring berries. So you can really see the rotation of the crop here in this raspberry bed. So another thing we wanted to give you a quick update on today is our potato patch. You've been following us as we started these way low in the pots, started stacking the soil, letting the plants grow up and rolling the pots up. These are doing great. We're almost to the point where we'll just top this off for one last time and let them finish out for the season. But I wanted to show you these issues we're having over here. I came back from 5 days traveling for work, and this pot was decimated by the slugs. You can see we're starting to get some new growth coming back. I put some treatment on here, gotten rid of them to the best of our ability, but we're hoping these plants come back and we'll fill in this soil once the plants are good and healthy again. So just to give you a closer look at this slug damage, they took all of the leaves, almost every single healthy leaf off of all of these plants. And you can start to see the new growth coming back out of the new sites. So it looks like they're gonna make it. We'll get through the crop. We'll be able to fill this up and get this thing full of potatoes. But it's not gonna do as well as these others. We'll get these topped off here today, get them watered in. This one's gonna have to wait. So we've got our planting mix here. Just a couple more days before we get our official packaging. You'll see it here first, folks. Keep an eye out. We'll be sharing it with you as soon as we can. But for now, we're gonna get this planting mix in around these potatoes. Alrighty, now all we have to do is water and wait. So we're gonna check back in on our garlic beds again here today. The garlic has been doing great all season. It's really hitting the end of its life. Right as it kicked these scapes out, it really just started kind of dying off, losing its greenery, finishing out. So we're gonna pull a couple cloves today, see what we have, and see what our next steps are. Let's right out of here and see how we're doing. There we have it. A couple nice heads of garlic. We'll go through, pull out any of these that are pretty much just done. I'll cut the scapes and let any that are still doing okay get a little fatter, and we'll wait for the other varieties here in the back that are still doing a little better. Well, all right, here it is, folks. My first garlic bed, all grown in Royal Gold soils with Crown Jewels fertilizers, easy as pie. I really barely dealt with this garden bed at all. A few visits, which you've all seen here on the show on Growing with the Gold, and here we have it. A ton of fantastic garlic. I'm gonna go make some pesto.